How well do you know 4th of July vocabulary in Spanish? Take this quiz and find out.
How do you say 4th of July in Spanish? Cuatro de Julio. How do you say independence in Spanish? Independencia. How do you say summer in Spanish? Verano. How do you say flag in Spanish? Bandera. How do you say to celebrate in Spanish? Celebrar. How do you say tradition in Spanish? Tradición. How do you say United States in Spanish? Estados Unidos. How do you say fireworks in Spanish? Fuegos Artificiales. How do you say parade in Spanish? Desfile. How do you say eagle in Spanish? Águila. How do you say rocket in Spanish? Cohete. How do you say red in Spanish? Rojo. How do you say white in Spanish? Blanco. How do you say blue in Spanish? Azul. How do you say stars in Spanish? Estrellas. How do you say stripes in Spanish? Rayas. How do you say picnic in Spanish? Picnic. How do you say grill in Spanish? Parrilla. How do you say popsicle in Spanish? Paleta. How do you say watermelon in Spanish? Sandía.
How did you do? If you need to review the vocabulary, check out the video linked here. You can always try the quiz again.